Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Confirm you're on an administrator account and copy essential files to an external drive. This prevents data loss if rollback fails. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security and view Update History so you know the KB number or date to remove. That identification speeds the process. Once done, reboot into Advanced Startup by choosing Recovery and clicking Restart Now, or hold Shift while selecting Restart. That puts you into the environment where uninstalls and restores are possible. Now you'll remove the faulty update or restore to a known good point. From Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then either uninstall updates to remove the most recent quality or feature update, or pick System Restore to return to a restore point created earlier. System Restore is safer when unsure which KB caused the issue. If you prefer command line and you have the KB number, open an elevated command prompt and run wusa/uninstall/kb. ## to target that specific update. After uninstall or restore, reboot and confirm Windows boots normally and that the problem is resolved. Check Device Manager and Core Apps for expected behavior. Make sure to pause updates temporarily in Windows Update so the same patch doesn't reinstall immediately, and take note of the KB number so you can block or skip it later. If undo fails or Windows won't boot, use System Restore from Advanced Options or choose Reset this PC. That's the key troubleshooting step to recover from a stuck or corrupted rollback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.